Welcome to the Kitty Cat Snack Shack. Fast food for famished felines.
Oh, nice place you got here.
A little bit you perhaps, but I think of it as home. I hate that. Now, let me see.
Ooh, recipes, I'm so hungry.
Casserole of duck.
Oh yes, can we? No, oh.
Duck and chestnuts.
These chestnuts are my favorite. No.
Duck and cherries.
Ooh, cherry.
Duck and pineapple.
Pineapple. For pineapple.
Duck pate.
Can we make a pate?
Duck pancakes with plum sauce.
Please, can we do that? Please, it sounds so good. I'm so hungry. No.
Oh, here it is. Duck a la hunch.
Wait, what are we having?
I'm having you for lunch.
Well, we know we are. I mean, what are we going to eat?
I'll wait something up. A surprise.
My mother must have been thinking of somebody else. She told me to beware of the cat.
Bless her. Mothers are all the same. For some reason, they seem to think it's part of their job description to stop us from having fun. Not my mother, though.
Oh, no.
She was different. Do you know what she used to say to me? You can scratch the antique furniture to sharpen up your claws. You can lacerate the cushions if you ever stuck indoors. You can dig up all the flowers from the freshly planted beds. And with articles of clothing, it's okay to pull some threads. But I remember as a kindergarten, one phrase that left me singularly smitten. You can play with the food before you eat it. You can cheat your child before you chew. You can play with the food, you can't eat it. So don't you let me play with you. Anything? Well, I like to cuddle down, take a sip of vaccine shadows. Then maybe if the time goes slam the slime we find marshmallows. I'll go and slay a dragonfly, watch water float memories. To say that cats are dangerous is clearly not the case. I'd rather play a game that's sharp and witty. And preferably with something in the kitchen. You can play with your food before you nibble. You can just move before you slice. You can play with your food but don't dribble. Mama gave the best advice. You can play with your food before you open. And rest your milk and lunch. It's a crazy little game called lunch. We could go rushing in the brushes, catching down a ditch, find a kind of place for its body. Then make a little camp that is super duper damn for me, and I make no money. And if the other ducklings want to come and join our games, they have to make a promise first to stop calling me names. Yeah. Oh, help you to forget the way they scolded me. 'Cause as soon as I have got my napkin folded, I don't know.
I've never tried one.
Well, suck on this. It's a crazy little game called